Hey Pie people, how you doing? So join us this week as we are off to the beautiful small island of Koh Ngan, which is in the southern part of Koh Chang. Join us because this island is incredible and you're going to love this adventure.
So here we are. How long have we been in Koh Chang? Maybe around 2 weeks now. We've been taking it pretty easy. We've explored some of the island with our friend Dee. Today our friend Ro arrived, so we've got another whole week exploring more, maybe even do a little tour, we'll see. And just, take in this natural beauty because Phil and I don't have too long anymore before we leave Thailand. In fact, before we leave Southeast Asia altogether, which is crazy because it's been nearly 500 days. So it's been amazing.
If you've seen our last video, you will know that we've done the island from top to bottom, but what we haven't managed to explore yet was Koh Ngan, a small but beautiful island at the bottom of Koh Chang, only reachable by kayak.
But before we do that, we pay the ghost ship another visit as it's a dilapidated tourist attraction only the Thai can make so appealing. Here we have the president of Nanaland.
This is a message to all my fellow bears. Go eat all the fish. He's a beach monkey. Beach monkey.
Morning, Phil. What's happening?
Well, someone was a bit silly and left my helmet like this, and I just emptied and my helmet's all dripping wet. But never mind, we're off canoeing today. We're taking our road bear, so it's going to be a good day out on the canoes.
With a wet head.
With a wet head.
It's adventure day today. Any berry friendly words?
We're going to have some fun today.
Yes!
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, Bubbles. He's off.
So we hired the kayaks for about 200 baht, and it's the only way to reach the island unless you go by boat. But trust me, kayaking is way more fun. You just have to drive down to the southern tip of Koh Chang and the rentals are right there.
We started the day with a lot of rain and a cup of tea and a coffee, and now we are kayaking, the three of us, which is super nice. We're struggling with his life. They said we have to wear these life vests because there's water police. Let's see about that.
I don't think personally there was any water police. I just think the locals want us tourists to look after ourselves when we're on the water.
Permission to come ashore?
Aye, aye, Captain. The highlight of Koh Ngan is a 100-meter long sandbar which connects two small islands, making it look like a natural bridge. This place has no accommodation and with its clear water and laid-back vibes has real charm.
can't go any more south. We're at the southern tip now of Koh Chang, all the way at the southern part, and we've come across this beautiful beach, only 100 baht each. You can only get here by canoe.
Now,
Geschwimmen.
geschwimmen.
Or thriller. Free from desire.
100% to go kayak.
Very good.
When I hold you, baby.
You're driving me crazy.
Is that 90s Road?
I think so. Fail.
Well, how's that for a DJ? Robes put my musical skills to the test, and if you'd like to see me do better, check out some of my mixes on other videos.
Peaceful. Only a couple of us here, and yeah, it just makes for a really nice day. The weather's out nice, beautiful.
Well, we are loving this little piece of paradise. It is absolutely stunning. If you come to Koh Chang, you cannot miss this.
Sounding to drums at bass tune, love. Come on, Pat, show some dance moves, love.
We would have loved to stay longer in Koh Ngan, but we're pretty hungry, so drove the 10 minutes to Long Beach for some well-deserved lunch.
So here we are, I'm with Robert and Philly Boy. We arrived in Long Beach. We had some really tasty pad thai, a couple of drinks, and it's just really, really nice. The tide is quite far out, but it's such a beautiful beach. I could spend all day here. And it's 4 in the afternoon, so it's not too strong. It's been a really nice day. I think we're gonna get ready in a bit to drive back. And yeah, highly recommend. The south of this island is stunning, not too developed. Okay, so these two are taking it upon themselves to get a coconut off the tree. What could possibly go wrong? Right guys, how are you feeling about the whole thing?
Feeling good.
Very validated.
We tried to be native. Me, Robert, cast a little hook.
Monkey in a bear.
Tried to put it up there, but
We're going on, Rover, wasn't it? No.
next time, man.
Should we
Join
just
us-
go and
join
buy
this
one?
place This time next
Watch it
year.
next time. We're going to have coconuts in our hands and we're going to be drinking from those coconuts.
Drinks are free, baby.
Good to feel.
Little hermit crab, babe. Who's the cutest?
Oh, we really enjoyed our stay at Long Beach. It's nestled away from everything and it's super chill. Apparently there are also waterfalls and jungle trekking in the area, but that will have to be for the next visit.
Doing a little 4 island snorkeling tour with Robert, Philly Boy, myself. I'm very much looking forward to it. Haven't done it in ages.
We booked this tour a day ahead and got picked up at our hotel at 10 in the morning. The boat would take us to 4 islands and provide snorkeling equipment and lunch.
Where are we?
We are in paradise in Koh Rang. By the horn to go back. We spent 45 minutes on this beautiful island. We've had some lovely food on the boat.
Yeah, it's been good. For only, what was it, 400, 500 baht for the day.
Ready for a bit more snorkeling,
Yeah,
Robert?
see some fishes.
Yes.
Koh Yak Yai. Koh Yak. Koh Yak. Koh Yak.
Whoa.
Back once again. Feeling that nice.
Look out, there's a little raven monkey. Raven all the way from England. He's a bit of a cutie, isn't he? Well, this little fella all the way from the UK, we're doing some singing tomorrow for us by the pool. It's a little wee raven monkey, all the way from Robert's land.
Raven monkey.
Is monkey enjoying Thailand?
Yeah. All my friends are here, like raven monkey, and you know the other monkeys. We're gonna go for a nice coffee at this place down the road. Really looking forward to it. It's gonna be awesome.
Lovely. Billy boy, second time round, what happened?
Left my bike helmet out and took rain.
And?
And this is what happens. The rain of Thailand.
Hey.
Not the best bubble.
You're gonna have a wet head.
Never gonna use it?
Yeah, we've come to the end of our 3 weeks in Koh Chang. Yes, Robert has come to grace our last week. It's been amazing. We've seen this island from top to bottom and inside out, and it's a beauty. Yeah,
It's great. Come to Koh Chang.
Yes.
You won't regret it.
Yes, highly recommended.
And where next?
Bangkok.
Oi, oi. Thank you so much for watching. Koh Chang has been great. Join us next time as we are going back to the smoke and big city of Bangkok. See you on the next one. Peace.